grab those lab coats and goggles as we continue to explore food chains and create one of our own today. Let's get into it with our essential questions.
Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today.
Listen as I read the first one. In what ways do plants and animals depend on each other? Read that one with me. In what ways do plants and animals depend on each other? Now let's look at the second one. What is a food chain? Read that one with me. What is a food chain? Our first activity is called energy flow. This will be a quick activity, but you'll need your whiteboards and markers. For this activity, I want you to first think of some of your favorite foods. So you're going to pause the video and on the front whiteboard, list some of your favorite foods. Each of you can select a favorite food and write it on your own whiteboard, and then we'll come back and talk about a specific example together. Did anyone say chicken nuggets as their favorite food? There are all different kinds of meats and veggies that we eat that come from specific places in the world. Chicken nuggets, for instance, come from a specific animal. Can anyone write on their whiteboards what animal chicken nuggets come from? Pause the video and take your guesses now. Did you say that chicken nuggets come from chickens? Well, of course they do. It's in the name. Underneath your chicken nuggets drawing on your whiteboard, try and draw your best picture of a chicken. Now, I know that we eat chicken nuggets for energy, and we just talked about chicken nuggets come from chickens. But where do the chickens get their energy? Pause the video, draw an arrow on your whiteboards, and write the name or draw a picture of where you think chickens get their energy. Come back when you're ready to see the answer. Did you say that the chickens get their energy from their food? And did you know the type of the food they eat are grains? Grains are different types of things, kind of like corn or seeds that chickens can find and peck off the ground and eat. Now, grains have to get their energy and grow from a specific type of energy source as well. What's the energy source that provide grains with the nutrients they need to grow? Draw your arrow next to your middle picture and draw the final part of this food chain. The final part of this food chain is the sun. The sun is providing energy for the grains to grow, and then the chicken is able to eat the grains in order to survive and gain energy itself, and we're able to eat the chicken to gain energy in our bodies. Good job, scientists, with this energy flow activity. Finish drawing out your food chains now and then place your whiteboards to the side of your tables. For your activity today, you are going to observe different photographs that your teacher provides you of various environments. And you're going to construct a food chain on a poster to match each of those environments. For the activity, you guys will start off with a similar discussion to the one we just had, but you're going to be talking about what you had for breakfast, not just your favorite foods. After that, you'll have a chance to go through different environments as a class and talk about animals that you might see in that environment. Once you've done that, you'll be divided into small groups based on environments, and you'll have time to go through different cards that represent your food chain cards. You will add these food chain cards onto your manila paper once your teacher gives you the okay and you have been checked. After you have done this, you'll have some time to talk and share the different food chains that you made based on the environments that you had. Good luck, scientists, and I'll talk to you guys soon.